Hello, here from Group 9. Today we're gonna presentation our ISAS about operating system management file of Windows 10. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Taufik Abdul Hamid Lissaluhu.
And my name is Pino Endang Ramadan.
The definition of file management. In Windows, there are many ways of doing the same thing. You can manage your file through My Computer and manage the network files through My Network Place. Windows Explorer is a tool which you can use to perform daily management tasks such as viewing, opening, renaming, deleting, moving, and copying files. The type of file extension. Each file has a file extension identifying the type of file and how the computer should interpret it. A text file is a simple text document that contains words with no formatting. A document file allows for formatted text with different font and image. This section will look at the following file steps. 1. Text files. 2. Document files. 3. Local document files. 4. Web page. 5. Archive and compressed files. 6. Presentation files. 7. Spreadsheet files. 8. Database file. 9. Image files. 10. Animation file. 11. Video files. 12. Audio file. 13. Adobe Acrobat. Display of File Explorer. First is menu bar. Teaching comments are in the form of a menu located under the title line, such as Window Explorer window. 2. Tabs within the ribbon. This menu serves to access commands that are often used to manage file and document. 3. Back, forward, and up button is used to return to the previous folder that has been skipped by the user and forward to the next folder if the folder has been opened by the user. While the up arrow function to return to the previous folder contained on the desktop storage that has been set by the user. Address bar. In this address bar, user can see the title of location of the file storage in the computer device folder. Search box is one of the important facilities used to find files name by typing the name of the file. Navigation pane. Navigation pane is a shortcut of several folders. In the favorites pane, you can add favorite folders that you may access frequently, so you can quickly enter into the folder.
File management method. Operation on file. 1. Renaming files. 2. Deleting files. 3. Moving files. And 4. Copying files. Good and effective file management way. 1. Save data in the same location. 2. Spare it in storage different types of files. 3. Use convert files. 4. Don't use a pre-converter. 5. Use shortcuts. 6. Use consistent file and folder naming. 7. Use source and easy naming of files and folders when search process is carried out. 8. Do not make the folder hierarchy too deep. And 9. Use shortcuts link. File management problem and solution. Problem. 1 folder access denied. First, you can right-click the folder or file you want to access and select the properties menu. Next, in the Windows that appears, click the security tab and click the advanced button. Next, in the new Windows, look at the table owner. If there is a problem, the message enable to display current owner will appear. And last, click the blue link that says change. So, folder in use. This action can be complete, close the folder or file in it is open in another program. Close the folder or file and try again. 3. Interrupts action. An unexpected error is keeping you from deleting the folder. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. 4. Item not found. Called not find this item. This is no longer located in XTEM videos. Verify the item and location and try again. Solution: how to fix can eliminate folder error in Windows 10. Aiming at the different situation, there are some approaches you can use to handle with your stubborn folder can't be deleted issue. 1. Reboot Windows 10 system. This is an omnipotent and common way once Windows gets some errors. Depending on the programs that may be overloads and start with OS, and your folder is referenced by them. Therefore, manage to restart Windows 10 operating system yet and delete the folder again. If this error message persists, try other methods. 2. Check an antivirus program. You had better scan this folder with antivirus software to check whether it or your computer is free from virus infection or not. If the folder is affected with virus, then it might get deleted with the help of antivirus directly. The familiar antivirus program are Bitdefender, Kaspersky, F-Secure, ISAS Note 32, McAfee, Norton, AVG, CA. 3. Rename folder. This way is collect from a user on Windows forum. If the cause is that the path and file name is too long, try to rename the unwanted, useless, or empty folder by appending a shorter one on the end of the folder names. Then right-click on the folder, select delete. Finally, the folder will disappear. 4. View hidden files. Open the folder, navigate to view, and then click hidden items. Then to see if there are any file in your folder, if yes, remove them and then delete the folder. 5. Check folder properties. If that is a permission issue, then you can right click on the unwanted folder and then click properties. Select security tab, hit advanced, and then make your username permission and authorize full control. Click OK. Now you are able to delete the folder without problems. 6. Delete containing folder. Can delete folder Windows 10 could not find this item. If you could delete an unusual folder, try to delete the folder that contains it. Certainly, you have to make sure that other significant files are moved to another path before doing this. Otherwise, you are going to delete more. 7. Search empty folder. This option is based on empty folder set on the system level. Just open this PC, search tab, search menu, set up the size filter to empty or 0 kilobyte. Make sure that our subfolder filter is closed. After finishing the search, it will show all the files and folders that don't occupy memory space. Select your target folder and delete it. 8. Use command prompt. Can delete empty folder open in another program. The command prompt may help. The command prompt for folder deletion is more efficient at times. So you should try definitely. Press WinR in your PC and then type cmd, then open command prompt as administrator. Type this command line, and then press enter. Now your force deleting is successfully. And 9, use free utility. If you can delete a certain folder or on account of it is in use, try to take advantage of free utility such as free file, unlocker, on remove empty directory software, which are frequently mentioned in most of the related forums. Benefit of management file. One, meet the needs of data management for user. So, guarantee the data in the file is valid. 3, performance optimization. 4, provide support or output of various types of storage device. 5, minimize or eliminates the potential for data loss or damage. 6, provide input or output interface routines. 7, provide input or output support for many users of a multi-user system. 8, easy to find files. 9, find unused files.
Conclusion. Good file management skill can lead to improved productivity, reduce stress, and an increase in one's efficiency while working on a computer. Pretend that your computer hard disk drive is a toolbox, and the files on your computer are the tools in the box. When the hammers, screwdriver, pillars, and the other tools are arranged in any particular manner, it is difficult to find specific tool, and valuable time is wasted while searching. So if you are one who uses your toolbox often, it will be wise to organize your tool so that you won't exhaust any more time aimlessly searching. The same thing can occur when the files and on a computer are haphazardly scattered around. Believe me, it is a very stressful to filter through hundreds of the folder and files in search of the needed document. By developing good file management skill and sorting your file in a logical manner, you may relieve unneeded stress and complete your work more efficiently. Another important file management skill is simply knowing your way around the content of your computer. When you know where commonly used objects are located, it is much easier to retrieve and modify those objects. Also, by knowing where your files are located, you will be able to save newly created files to their appropriate location the first time, and never to worry about organization and moving the file afterward.
Suggestions. One way to take good care of files is to manage files. By managing files, the files are arranged neatly and well maintained. In addition to proper file management, easy to remember file names can also be coded in its jobs to make it easy for user to find. It's not a bad thing to check the files on the device once a week for file corruption, as well as reboot new files. Use PDF is also one good way for file management. Do not forget to clear the cache on the device and empty the recycle bin so that the computer does not slow down due to the large number of files.
That's all from our ISAS presentation. Thank you.